Hola mis amores, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be organizing my makeup drawer. It's only one drawer that I have. Is this Alex drawer, and it's looking questionable, you know. Let's get started. So this is the first drawer that we're gonna be organizing. These are my little clips that I put on my hair. They're super cute. I got them from Shein.
Yes, sir, I'm a young stepper. Tryna find another avenue to up my network. Still a student, but I'm proving I can give you lectures. You could learn something from me, you could learn something from me. Yeah, I stepped off, now I'm active again. Been drawing up the type of plays that win championships. See, we was down, but I came back for the win. Still not a rapper, but I'm rapping again. They clapping their hands. See, I put on a show when it's time to perform. I thought you knew better than doubt me, I've shown you before. But you live and you learn, but try not to try me again. That's how bridges get burned. There's so many ways to show you feel like war in a quick. I take my time, but I'm flooring my whip. I speed past everybody from the past that was ignoring the kids. Solidified now, who called it a niche? I'm on the net browsing for another way to waste some bread on a fit. But I don't trip, cause I'ma get it again. Popping tags off tan color shirts from Brazil and pants from Japan. Don't ask me to chill, I'm aggravated, acting the ass. Yes sir, I'm a young stepper.
What goes in this drawer is this big thing, and also this one and this one. I don't know if y'all can see this. So I got the containers from the other drawers that go in here, and I just have to like take stuff out that does not belong in here. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. Look how tiny this is. This is this powder, but in this little tiny form. It's so cute. So out of all of my setting sprays that I have, they're almost out. Like this one doesn't have any more. This one has some in there, but not really. This one's also out, so I have to. And then this one has some. So these are the only three that I have left. So I'm just gonna put them right here. They fit just fine right there. realized that half of my makeup it's in this drawer. So I'm gonna put everything in here and then organize everything like that because it's taking me a while and I just simply cannot. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video and that you like to just hang out with me for a little bit while I organize my drawers and stuff. Please like, comment, subscribe, and click that notification button so you can get notified every time I post.